I was on the team that was working on the fuselage on the airplane. We had other teams that were working on the engines or control surfaces or propellers, but my main interest was working on the fuselage, and at the time I began work, the airplane had just arrived, and needless to say, the fabric on the surface was ripped and torn, so everything had to be removed. We had to follow the Smithsonian guidelines as to how we proceeded with our work, and particularly the type of restoration that was done. The intent being that the aircraft be restored with the same materials or the same type of material as the aircraft was built. So after removing a lot of the fabric and cleaning the wood structure and so forth, then involved the process of going back and refurbishing the aircraft, restoring it, and continuing on until completion. So it was quite a challenge. The way we had to work on the airplane, it'll be discussed, I'm sure, later, that the aircraft was mounted vertically, which required scaffolding and, frankly, a lot of physical labor. I mentioned it took us 8 years. We also have got to know that we worked basically only 2 days a week, and many times it was only for 4 hours a day, because a lot of the work that we did was quite strenuous. But to me, it was a most worthwhile effort, and I'm just proud to see the aircraft turned out as well as it did, considering that a lot of us who worked on it did not have experience in doing the tasks that we did during the restoration.